how are you going to be safe?
Well, this don't move back.
Oh. What about the neighbors downstairs?
Well, they're safe because literally there's a floor on the floor.
I mean the noise you're making, buddy. What about that part?
Oh, he's almost done.
Yeah. I just needed to let go all these, then I will be done. Yep. I got this.
Okay, go ahead.
And there's a nice big piece like that sock.
Oh boy.
And a nice big piece right here like that sock.
Oh yeah, of course.
There you go. You're all set.
Well, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
He's working the rock quarry, folks.
Well, I need a cup of tea, I think.
Ooh. Ooh.
I think you did it. Look, the other piece is right there.
This?
I think so.
No, this is a different half from the rock.
Are you sure?
What? See?
Oh yeah, I don't know. Try the other way. I don't know.
See?
Let me look.
What?
Let's see. Let's see. I'm saying, what about this way?
Ooh.
Or this way? Or this way? Or this? I guess not. Yeah, I guess they are.
See? See, I mean that. So now I can get back to shopping? Yeah?
Oh boy.
Oh.
Our downstairs neighbors are having fun.
Yeah. Ooh! Another little bit off.
I see that.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Focus. Oh. Almost.
It's flipping. Oh my. Ooh.
Your little piece came off. There. I think you're done almost for the day.
Yeah. I'm almost done collecting all these things. There's only one left. Oh, yeah, I forgot a small little part here.
Oh, okay, put that one up there too. Be careful.
The neighbors are going to be happy when this one's done.
Yeah. Oh.
And this a little bit. Hello?
See?
What?
Careful. It bounced up, almost got your face.
Be careful.
Safety last.
Did it break?
Not really. Oh, it did.
It's
See how strong he is? He ripped that apart with his bare
I
hands.
saw that. Whoa.
Oh, I added a little action into it.
Yeah, hammers, scissors, and rocks flying. I think we're good, dude. I think it's not going to get any smaller.
Oh. Good.
I'm looking. I see it. Oh, he's still at it.
Still at it.
Concentrate.
Ooh, that hurt my knee.
Ouch. Careful.
That hurt.
See? Having fun? Safety last.
Wow!
Did you do it?
Wow!
Did it break?
No. Wait, a little tap. I wonder if I can break this in half when my bare hands were connected. No.
No? Not yet?
Moving back.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. 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 Oh, I think my neighbor's gonna be happy when that's done. Landed on Uncle Chris's t-shirt machine.
What the?
Over there, see it?
What the?
Oh, that's Dave below us, eh? No, Dave's up from us. Eh?
I'm sure the whole line is hearing it to the ground floor to the top.
You think? You think it's a worker?
I hope. Oh my gosh.
Come on, hit it, baby.
have you
hit
been
it.
have you been drinking, sir?
Hit this sucker. Hit it.
Have
There.
you been
Do
drinking?
it again. Come on. There.
I think that's enough, bud.
Okay, that's good
No,
for
it's not.
now.
Come on.
You can work on
Let's
some
give
more
it a break
tomorrow.
because the neighbor downstairs must be going nuts.
Okay, come
Okay,
on.
bud? We'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, finilo.
Okay? Finish tomorrow.
Hitting it
Here,
so
give
much.
it to me for frig's sakes. Give it to me. Move out of the way.
My try.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
There you go, bud.
Can you watch try?
Nice. Now I am done for the day.
You're done for the day? Good job.
That's his rock pile.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That was one rock when he started, folks.
That was good work you did.
Hit the thumbs up subscription, all the rest. Leave a comment, share with a friend. Thumbs up. All right, take care of yourself and each other. Get some bowling shoes. Rock stars, gangsters, gangsterettes. Thanks
now
for
look.
tuning in.